Hi y'all, and today we are going to see what weather I think the term bomb cyclone produces. Apparently some weather from like the west coast filtered in, central US, and now northern Colorado is getting dumped. Check out those snow patches on those trees, snow piles, sorry. That's power lines. I'm hoping the power doesn't go out. They did not surprisingly cancel school today. That's insane. I think they should have, or at least gotten us out later. It was raining earlier this morning, so I cannot believe how much snow it dumped. Is this not insane? Is this so much snow? Like, we didn't get this much snow in December and January combined. No. So yeah, this is definitely what I call a heavy wet blizzard. Luckily I'm inside watching this and not out there. Although it looks like good powder weather for snowboarding and skiing. But all the slopes are wrapping up the season. It's April. Yeah, so much for April showers bringing May flowers. I sure hope this doesn't actually put our plants in shock and like the trees. We've had like spring freeze where like hard frost and suddenly like all the trees just covered in snow. It's a big shock to them. Doesn't make the spring growing and fall harvest any good. So yeah, oh look, there's some birds trying to climb that. I feel so bad for them. Yesterday I posted a video on jailbreak in Roblox on YouTube. That is not all I do. I try to actually get more outdoor videos. That is more my thing. But, yeah. Too bad I can't, like, film this on a GoPro, like, sledding down some local hills, but honestly, right now, everyone's, like, driving home from places, and I do not want to go outside and have to, like, travel anywhere as long as I don't have to. No, I'm just gonna watch it all from inside, wait till things die down. Hope y'all friends stay warm and safe on the roads because this doesn't look fun. Yeah, so yeah, blizzards in spring in Colorado. This is our typical spring weather. It was raining this morning, it's snowing right now. You can never expect anything. It all changes within 24 hours. So, wonderful weather. Definitely interesting though. Oh, that tree branch is hanging on that power line. That's not good. Yeah, y'all like, subscribe, check out. There's at least 5 inches out there. 5, 6. The wind's blowing some. We've got drifts going on. So I would not be surprised if there's up to a foot in certain areas. Just please be careful, all out there. Like and subscribe. Wonderful weather here in NoCo. And yeah, bye.